Hi, my name is Doris Curry, and I've been coming to Dr. Michaels for a while. When I first came, I had a lot of pain in my shoulders and in my groin area and in my sinus drain continuously. For about, at least I know, 3 years, I walked around with tissue. And when it dawned on me that I wasn't carrying tissues anymore, my nose had stopped running, and I was so thankful for that. I have less pain in my groin area and my shoulders a lot better. And I just love Dr. Michaels, and I'm going to give him a hug. Thank you.